Alright, so what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy BioFix here and I'm back with another video. Now this is a demand that I took today which I lost. So I've been on a win streak pretty much for the whole week. I This was my fifth trade for the week. I didn't trade Wednesday, trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I took two trades yesterday, which was Thursday. I won one of the trades and I lost one. Took another trade today and I lost. The trades that I took Monday and Tuesday I won. So overall, I'm pretty much in the profit for the week. In this trade, I lost around a little bit over $600. All right. But overall, I'm profitable for the week, which is the most important thing. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, bro. Like losing trades is a part of the game, and the whole point of day trading and to become profitable is to not prevent yourself from losing trades, but it is to be profitable while you're taking your trades, which would include losses and wins. So if you take five trades for the week, right? You can lose a few trades. You could lose two other trades. You could lose even three of those trades, but still be profitable. It really depends on how you're risking your account. Risk management is the most important aspect of day trading. You need to be managing your risk. But yeah, this is a regular supply setup. I actually thought this trade was going to win. Unfortunately, it didn't, and that's just how it is. Had my demand zone marked up here. Price aggressively shot out of my demand zone. Break structure to the left side here. My demand zone had a gap. Price came back, filled the gap, gave me an entry right after it. Filled the gap pretty much. Uh, Gave me the entry and barely went in a little bit of profit there, and then the trade went against us and hit stop loss. So simple trade, bro. It could have win, but it lost. That's just simply really it. Nothing to complicate. Call it a day. We come back next week. That is a mindset that you guys need to have. Now, why did I take this trade? Um, One, because it looked really good. Two, the market was in an overall uptrend on the 5 minutes time frame and also on the daily time frame. So I don't have too much confluences, bro. I mean, the market, the daily time frame does look bearish, right? It does look bearish. I'm not gonna say it doesn't look bearish. However, I knew that, well, what I was thinking was that eventually the price market has to reverse. It can't just keep dropping, right? So as you can see, price was retracing and I got in the trade somewhere up in this point here. Right, so I mean overall, because all these right here are daily candlesticks. No, this is a 1 hour time frame. Oh my god, I thought it was a freaking daily. That's crazy. Let's go on the daily right here. All right, so yeah, because I was wondering, because I knew the overall market was on an uptrend. Because I'm like, what the hell? Um, so yeah, if you pretty much look, you see that the daily time frame was on an overall uptrend. However, when I took the trade, the market was kind of consolidating. As you can see, it was in a range. As a scalper, I can take trades while the market is ranging. It doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna blame this loss on anything other than just the fact that it is a loss. Sometimes you're gonna lose trades and there's no reason to why you lose, because the same trade I could have took it on another day and it win, right? And the high probability setups, they lose too, bro. Like, not because a setup is high probability means it's not going to lose or it's 100% going to win. There's no such thing as a 100% win rate strategy, bro. No. Every trading system has losses. The sooner you can like accept that and think in a way where you're looking to have your trading plan and your trading style set in such a way that you can give yourself opportunities to lose trade. Like once you can start thinking like that, like okay, I'm not going to overtrade. I'm going to take 2 trades per day. If I lose 1 trade, I'm going to call it a day, come back the next day. Just manage your risk. And that's why discipline is the most important thing, because if you can't control yourself in day trading, the markets will control you, bro. Self discipline is the most important thing in day trading. This is why day trading is not for everybody, bro, because not everyone knows how to be disciplined. Not everyone knows how to not allow their feelings to determine what they do in the markets. You have to be in control of your mind, bro. This shit is gonna play a lot of games on you, I swear. But as long as you have the strength to really persevere through tough times and just keep pushing, don't give up, keep showing up in the market, keep back testing, you're good. That's just really it. All right, so I think that's pretty much it for the video, bro. There's not much to really explain in these videos because it's really the same thing I'm coming to the market and explaining over and over again. Really, it's just the same setups, bro. Um, Only thing I could probably say about this setup right here, maybe it was a little bit too high. You know, I find it that like the best well, depending on what you're taking, if you're taking a buy or a sell, but demands are the best demands are demands that are at the lowest price. That's what I realize. All right, so if taking a demand, if you could catch a demand like down here, like right here, because here's another demand set up here. There's multiple demands as a matter of fact, and I'm going to show you them. There was this demand right here. All right, so we have this demand. If you know the demand zone markup, then you should see that that is definitely a demand right here. We had aggressive buying gap right here. Price came and fill the gap. Now this other, oh, that's not a setup there. That's not a setup, but this demand here would definitely be good to take. If price would have come back to here, that would have been nice. But that's just really it. The demand I took was high, so I think maybe that could have affected the reason why I lost. I don't know. I don't really try to think too deep into why I lose. I've been trading for a very long time. I know my strategy is profitable, so I don't need to overthink and question losses and wins, bro. I just try to trade as less as possible. I don't overtrade. Take my losses, take my wins, manage my risk, and that's just really it, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep uploading these videos, bro. I'm seeing that a lot of persons is liking the strategies, a lot of persons are liking the videos, man. If you guys have any questions, you can definitely reach out to me at BarFX on Instagram. Leave any comments in the comment section, bro. I'm going to be making a lot of videos in the future, a lot more videos on risk management. I want to make like a beginner guide video. That's something that I'm working on for persons who are literally beginners, right? I'm going to be pretty much just teaching everything you're supposed to know as a beginner. If you're new to day trading, just look out for all these videos, bro. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be dropping a lot of content in the future, bro. So yeah, I think that's just pretty much it for the video, guys. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. Peace and love. I'm out.